Hi, I'm Christy, and I am doing just a quick little review over the GoPro HERO13 Black. I am here and doing this for the Thomas Tech channel. So definitely like and subscribe if you like this video. Okay, so again, this is the GoPro HERO13 Black. It's up to 5.3K video resolution, and it shoots slow motion video at 120 frames per second. It takes over 27 megapixel pictures, excellent motion stabilization called Hyper Smooth. And if you go on here, there's a setting where you can set it and you put Hyper Smooth. And then if I was to start shaking it, you would barely see the video shake. So that's what the Hyper Smooth will do for you. So it's great for when you're in action. You can get lens mods for this. Waterproof up to 33 feet deep. Battery life is limited, so order more batteries. Still a longer battery life than 12. And not the greatest in low light settings. It's best to be outside. And it can get very hot, so I wouldn't recommend using it for long periods outside in the heat. And yeah, I mean, it's a pretty nifty little camera. It's in camera and video. It records effortlessly. There's a lot of settings in here. You can go to a pro level style, or maybe you can go to an intermediate beginners level on here when it comes to being a content creator. So yeah, definitely go check it out, and you can also purchase this on Amazon as well. So thanks for watching. See you next time.